Hi, welcome to this new tutorial on Excel shortcut keys. In the first Excel shortcut keys tutorial, we discussed about 10. In this tutorial, we will be discussing the next 10 shortcut keys in Excel. So let's start with the Ctrl+Shift combination, Ctrl+Shift left, right, top and down. So what it will do? Ctrl+Shift left arrow. Suppose if I place in the previous examples, we discussed about shift and left arrow. One cell at a time will be selected. Okay. Suppose I have a list of cells to the left. I want to select all the cells to the left. Then what I can do? Ctrl+Shift left arrow will allow me to select all the non-blank cells to the left. In the same manner, Ctrl+Shift right arrow will allow me to select all the cells towards the right. Now, if I think about selecting all the cells to the top, Ctrl+Shift top arrow. If I think about selecting all the cells to the downside, Ctrl+Shift down arrow. In this manner, by using Ctrl+Shift left arrow, we can select all the cells to the left. By using Ctrl+Shift right, we can select all the cells towards the right. Then Ctrl+Shift top, all the cells to the top. Ctrl+Shift downside or down arrow, we will be selecting all the cells towards the downside. Instead of extending selection for one cell, Ctrl+Shift arrows combination will allow us to select multiple cells at a time. Okay. Now moving on to the next shortcut, Ctrl+Shift home. What it will do? Extend the selection from present cell to all the top data cells. Ctrl+Shift home. All the cells to the top are selected. Okay. It is Ctrl+Shift home. Suppose if I keep cursor here and if I select Ctrl+Shift end, what will happen? All the cells to the downside will be selected. Extend selection from the present cell to all the bottom data cells. If you think about selecting all the cells to the downside, Ctrl+Shift end. If I think about selecting all the cells to the top, Ctrl+Shift home. Okay, from present position, Ctrl+Shift home, all the top cells. From here also Ctrl+Shift home, you can see all the top cells from the particular column is selected. If it is Ctrl+Shift end, all the cells to the downside will be selected. Now, when I am entering a particular value or particular text in a particular cell, if I feel that my entry is over, then I think about, suppose I am entering a cell here, like I am entering creator. Now I am thinking about Now I completed entering details here. Now I'm thinking about moving to the top cell. That can be simply done by using shortcut Shift Enter. The entry in the present cell is done. Okay. I'm entering here. And here after entering, I'm just clicking on Shift Enter. The entry of current cell is done and the selection will move to the top cell by using Shift Enter. In case of Control Enter, completes the cell entry and stays in the same cell. Suppose if I start typing here, like creator, if I click on Control Enter, it will not move anywhere and it completes entry of data into a particular cell. Now home, what it will do? Suppose if I am in this cell, home allows me to take cursor to the first character in the line and it moves the cursor from anywhere, starting point home, end of the line is end. These are the important shortcut keys that we have in Excel. So in the next video, we will be discussing shortcut keys from 21 to 30.